So friends, today we are going to do decoupage. It is a technique of transferring image onto any surface like this bottle. So you need a surface to transfer image. Like I have taken a glass bottle this time. We need these decoupage tissues. You can get it from online, Amazon or any other store. Basically, we'll transfer these images on these paper on our bottle. So you need for that Mod Podge. It is a type of Fevicol, paint brushes and acrylic colors. So let's get started. So now friends, we need to paint our bottle white as I have done this one. So for that you need a sponge, and just you can take any sort of sponge that you have at your home. No need to purchase another one, and dip it in white color. And just let's get started with doing it on our bottle. Make sure that you tap the sponge on your bottle the same way as I am doing, because if you use brush you will get strokes, the marks on the bottle, and it will give an untidy look. So to avoid those strokes, use a sponge and tap it well all over your bottle so that you do not see the base color of your bottle. And you can give 2 or maybe 3 layers of the color so that it gives a clean look to our bottle. As and make sure that you do white color for any sort of paper you use on the bottle, because white color makes other colors glow on the surface. So you need to paint the surface white for any sort of transferring. Yeah, and I'm almost done with it. So now we'll just keep it aside. See friends, I have done the bottle and kept it aside for 5 to 10 minutes so that the color dries off. And now we'll just take a tissue, like I have selected this one, and I will transfer this image onto my bottle. And make sure that you check whether it it will just completely fill the bottle or not, because it should not leave gaps between. So see, I'll just check it once, and see, it's just completely coming over my bottle. I'll just use 1/4 of the tissue because I guess it's enough, and other bottle I'll blend it with the colors. So I I'll just cut the tissue now. For cutting, you don't need scissors or something. For cutting, all you need is water and a brush. So let's get started. All we need to do is dip our brush in this water and gently just wet the tissue from where we want to cut it. Like I just want the 1/4 part, so I'm cutting it over there. Make sure you do not give the even cuts. It should be totally uneven so that it looks a bit of not so clean, and it blends well with our bottle. So we need to take care of that thing. So now I am done with the cutting of the tissue, just by wetting the paper, and gently I'll tear it. See, once we have got the tone part out, this is the thing that we'll transfer onto our bottle. But firstly, these tissues are 3-ply tissues or 2-ply tissues. You can get them from market, wherever it's mentioned on that whether it is 3-ply or 2-ply. So see, as the tissue I used was a 3-ply tissue, I removed the 2 plies from it, and I just need the image part. You can just tear off the other two, and we don't need them. All we need is this thin tissue, 1/3 of the tissue, and we'll transfer it on a bottle. For that we need Mod Podge. Let's get started with the transferring. Take the Mod Podge. A Mod Podge, if you are not having Mod Podge at home, you can use Fevicol with half water in it, but Mod Podge gives a bit of glossy look, so it's better if you can get Mod Podge. Just take it on your brush like this and apply it well on the bottle surface this way. Just give it a clean look so that it completely merges with the surface. And then once you are done with applying the glue on the bottle, stick this tissue onto the bottle from middle. Like, you need to just stick the middle part of it, not the sides or the ends, so that you can, you know, completely fill it later on. If there are some cramps or something, you can just fill it well. There should be no cracks while doing it. And when, suppose I was applying the glue vertically, make sure when you are just tapping the tissue with the brush, do it horizontally, so that it just removes all the cracks that may come during the pasting. And now I'll gently stick the other sides, and be very soft handed while doing this. Like, you just need to take care. See, I have done with the pasting, and there is this back side of the tissue which is left to be blended well, so that the tissue looks naturally printed on the bottle, not a tissue. It looks an image that we have painted. So for that, we'll just blend it well with the colors. You can take white color, because we have this white tree on our tissue. So for this, we'll take white color and just blend it well with the bottle, white acrylic color again, and take bit of blue color so that it adds shades to our bottle. And let's do it. For that, when we just do it, we do it very calmly. And once we are done with the coloring on the bottle with white and blue color, just make sure that you add a layer of varnish if you have, or otherwise Mod Podge, so that it gives a clean look and our bottle blends well. See, the way I have done, I am done with completing the bottle. I have added white color on the top so that it doesn't you know look like I have pasted a tissue. It merged well, the white color, and the I think it looks perfect. And you can add something like this rope onto the top so that it gives natural look. And you can use these bottles for anything, like making it a flower pot or something. And I have made another one too. And these bottles can be easily, recycled and everything. So it's a really useful thing, I would say, to just do decoupage and transfer any surface like wood, plates, plastic, anything you have at your home with this. And there is this another one that I did, just a decent one. So yes, you can do any sort of fun with these decoupage things.